myself now crazy. I can't take it. I wish I could get away from here.